If you want to change your ringtone volume on your OnePlus 13 5G, so first we'll open up your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll down to our sound and vibration tab. There it is. Open it up. In our sound and vibration tab, we're gonna scroll down to our volume. And here we can see a lot of different switches such as media, ringtone, notification, and alarm. And in our case, we need our ringtone. So simply find it and adjust it to your taste. Also, the second way of doing this, we can set up our volume button function. So choose it, and here we can choose what do we want our volume button to do. Control our media volume or ringtone volume. So you can control your ringtone volume through your, as you see, it changes through your volume buttons, and that's how it works. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.